Rivers, the storytellers of nature, ready to hear their tale. Rivers start as tiny streams, whispering secrets from mountain peaks. As they journey, they merge with others, growing louder, stronger, teaching us the power of unity. They carve valleys and shape landscapes, showing how persistence can overcome even the toughest obstacles. Through changing seasons, rivers adapt, sometimes rushing in floods, other times gently meandering. They remind us that life, too, is about embracing change. Even when they seem to lose their way, rivers find new paths, eventually joining the ocean. Like rivers, flowing forward helps us find our way to something greater. So next time you see a river, remember, unity, persistence, and change can shape our own journey. Comment your next interesting fact. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more.